Hello, welcome. Let's continue our lesson on Pythagoras. So here we're going to learn how do we use it to work out the missing length for a right angle triangle. And you must know how to work it out without calculator and how to work it out with a calculator, because it can come in both papers. So here we're supposed to find out how long is x. So the first thing to spot is x is the longest side, and therefore we're going to use the addition rule. So you state your rule. We call it is c squared equals a squared plus b squared, and replace the values of c, a, and b with the numbers. We don't know c, so we replace c with x. We know a as 6 and we know b as 8, or whichever way. Once it's addition, then it doesn't matter. What happens is that it's an addition rule. Then from there you just solve them. With our calculator, 6 squared is 36, a squared is 64, so you have x squared equals 36 plus 64. Sum this up. S squared is 100, and the reverse of a square is to find square root. Square root on both sides, x is equal to square root of 100, and therefore x is equals to 10 cm. So this is how you're supposed to do it when it's non-calculator. When it's calculator, same principle. We start with the principle. That is the longest side. So we state our first principle. Replace them with the numbers. That's what we have. And because at the end we're going to work out the square root, we don't need to waste our time working this out because calculators are allowed. So what we start is we press the square root button and just type exactly what you have in here. And equal sign, and the answer comes, and you just approximate according to the instruction given. So when you can try to do it on the calculator and see what you have. So the answer is this, approximated to 6.84 meters. So just remember, just start normally as the calculator, put in the values, then from there to square root straight away. So this is how we work out what the missing hypotenuse of right angle triangle. In our next slide, we're going to talk about how to work out any other side apart from the hypotenuse. Thank you very much.